What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Chevrolet Camaro remote key fob. This Chevy Camaro key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we're going to do in order to change this battery is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button on the side of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, this is the notch right here that this key just slid out of. So what I'm going to do is take my key and just put the very end of it in that notch. So about like that. I'm only putting about that much in there, what's on the other side of my fingers. So put that much in there, and then I'm just going to pry up like this. And as I do that, you can see it splits the two halves of the case apart. Go ahead and pull them the rest of the way apart like that. And in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. I'm going to take my key, and you can see there's kind of these two cutouts on the battery holder that you can get your key under, get under the edge of the battery, and pop it out of that little holder. Now I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. Snap it down into that holder like that, and then we can snap the two halves of the case back together. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.